Thank you for joining us today on HXGN TV. I'm your host, Bridget Benedetti, and today we're discussing how PC-DMIS is evolving quality. PC-DMIS enables measurement data to flow through your organization because quality is the grounding truth for design and manufacturing. In this talk, we'll discuss creation, execution, and collaboration, and what each of these mean in context of how we're building our software at Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence, and what this means for our customers. With us today is Ken Woodbine, Product Line Manager for Metrology Software at Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence. Welcome, Ken.
Thank you, Bridget.
So PC-DMIS remains a powerhouse in metrology software industry. Can you tell us how the product is evolving?
You know, it absolutely is a powerhouse, and it gets stronger every year. And I attribute this in large part to the fact that we're building a strong community with our users. And to me, this means deeply understanding their requirements and then making sure we direct our development efforts to fulfill them. I see metrology in three stages: creation of measurement, execution of measurement, and then collaboration based on measurement results. This is the how, the what, and the why of metrology. And we're working hard in all three areas to make sure that our customer's job becomes easier.
Now, I see again you have a full house for the users group here at the conference. What can the attendees expect to learn about?
It's a very exciting user group this year. We're focused on a couple of major themes, one being productivity improvement tools, and another being integration with some of our sister company products to make sure that we offer solutions that are greater than the sum of the parts. And on the productivity tool side, for example, we have quick features, which have gotten even quicker this year, and adding gesturing such that you can click one circle and measure all the circles on a part. And then on the integration side, we've added QDOS reporting to the PC-DMIS reporting. So now you can have SBC charts alongside your single run observation all in the same report.
Well, that's great. Now, there's a lot of focus on the smart factory. How does PC-DMIS fit into that concept?
We connect to the smart factory concept through the digital thread. And the digital thread is an industry concept that describes connected data flows in an integrated view of an asset's data throughout its life cycle, start to finish. And we connect to the digital thread on the front end by using all the production information, including embedded GD&T, to streamline the creation of measurement tasks so that it's super fast and you get to your results very, very quickly. And on the back end, what do we do with those results? Well, we've introduced the PC-DMIS Go application, so now I can get all my relevant metrology information about that run or about the machine condition while I'm maybe in another plant or halfway around the world. Everything I need to know in the palm of my hand for the metrology process. Very exciting stuff.
That is exciting. So what's on the horizon for PC-DMIS?
Well, as we continue to evolve toward the smart factory, we'll add more and more smart technology to PC-DMIS. And this means bringing the metrology and the production process together so that they're much closer and we can impact manufacturing even automatically by feeding back results for improving the process based on the metrology that we've just collected. With the industrial Internet of Things continuing to take center stage, our machines will start to self-diagnose. And this is another forward-thinking initiative that'll make a difference for our customers. I think it's an excellent time to be in the metrology industry, and we're on a journey looking forward to taking with our customers.
You certainly are. We would like to thank our guest, Ken Woodbine. For more on PC-DMIS, visit hexagonmi.com. And for more about Hexagon TV, visit hxgnspotlight.com. Thanks for watching.